So, pupunta kami sa registrar office ngayon para i-register yung birth ni Lily. Are you ready, little miss? Little Miss Lily?
You got bottom reach stuff, have you?
Yeah. Since our little girl is here, mas prefer ko na nakasakay ako dito sa likod kaysa sa front para makita ko yung ano niya ba, kung okay lang ba siya. Meron naman kaming dito mirror. Binigay din yun sa akin ni Sis Eglin. Huh?
We didn't need a marriage certificate or anything, did we?
She did not say anything. Nandito na kami. We're a bit early actually. So, dito muna kami sa sakyan. Mag-intay-intay. John is paying the parking. That's it mga loves. All done. Tapos na kami. Na-registered na si Lily. Tumaan kami sa Tesco mga loves. Pero nandito lang ako sa car. Kasi of course our Lily is still on antibiotics. So dito lang ako. Hindi ako bababa. Kasamahan ko siya. Si Jan lang yung pumunta doon kasi para top up grocery. So official na talaga yung pangalan ni Lily. Official na yung pangalan mo, anak. Lily Athea. So yung Lily, si Jan talaga yung namili dyan. Then tapos yung Athea, ako. So some of you were questioning bakit yan yung spelling ng Athea. Kasi yung iba, dapat ito yung spelling, ganito, ganyan. Yung Athea na spelling kasi na pinili ko is means gift kasi. Kaya, ayun. Yan yung pinili ko. Hello? Are you pushing something? Are you? You're pushing something, don't you? I'll put you down so that you will be more comfortable. Parang may mission ata tong batang to kasi napupush. Are you doing some business? Are you doing some business? That's not a cutting point.
No, that's the height of it.
So we're measuring the curtain at the moment because the curtain is long. So I have to cut it mga loves. So yung sewing machine ko is nandito na, naghihintay. There you go. Nandito yung mga cotton, yung thread ba, yan. I got this from Amazon. So, meron din tayong bobbin.
That's a small thing.
Hindi namin natapos yung pagtahi sa kurtina kasi it's my fault mga loves. So yung kurtina, meron siyang pin na nilagay namin sa baba. I accidentally ran the pin sa needle. So yung needle nabali. And I don't have an extra needle kaya wala eh. Napatigil kami. Tapos sasana kami. Anyway, nag-order na ako ng needle. I'll just gonna give you an update sa sa extension kasi medyo matagal na din ako hindi nakapag-update sa inyo. I don't know when was that. I think the last time I gave you an update sa bahay is before pa ako nanganak. Kaya marami-rami na din sigurong na dagdag or na change dito. It's been a while mga palangga na hindi ako nakapag-update sa inyo. I don't know kung ano na yung na-update ko sa inyo. But if I have gone through them already, apologize. But yeah, ito na yung front room natin. So, meron ng curtain pole, obviously. Meron na din siyang ilaw. Nailagay na yung ano dito. Yung fireplace, yung ito. Yan. And let's turn on the light. Oh, yan. Meron na din pala siyang light dyan. Yan. And yeah. So, ang kulang na lang talaga dito is carpet, sofa, and that's it really. And of course, TV. Kasi hindi namin ito-transfer yung TV namin ngayon kung wala pang sofa dito. Kasi of course, manonood ka ng TV, sa sahig ka manonood. Ay nako, parang hindi yan, I don't think John will find it comfortable while watching TV. So, kanina, kung natapos namin yung kurtina, tapos na to, meron na tong kurtina dito, pero unfortunately, yun na nga, na yung needle ng sewing machine, it's broken, kaya we'll just have to wait until tomorrow kasi nag-order ako ng bagong needle kasi yung sewing machine wala siyang extra needle, so napa-order tayo ng walang oras. And let's turn this on para makita nyo to, and it looks like this. Yan. So meron siyang iba't ibang settings. Yan. And some of yours asking kung ano ba, mainitan ba yung TV. Hindi naman kasi this is like actually like just a feature really. Pero kung gusto mo, pwede mo din siyang, yung fan ito, mainit din. Nagbubuga din to ng mainit na hangin dito sa gilid. So it's not going up. So it's okay. Yan. Para cozy dito sa bagong front room. I cannot wait mga palangga na matapos talaga yung bahay kasi it's been a long journey talaga. It's been a long making, I would say. But at least paunti-unti na. And nung nakaraang araw din, we painted the skirting board. It looks so dark on the camera but it's actually very light. So, ang lang talaga dito, ang challenge is maghahanap ng right color na couch na imamatch dito sa sa front room. So anyway, yun na muna yung update dito sa front room. Dito sa utility, wala pa masyadong nangyayari dito, but John already removed the dito tiles. So after doon sa front room, sisimula na nila to dito. Yan. So at least pag matapos na to, all done na talaga. Kaya dumating na yung needle na in order ko, so hopefully we will not run over the pin. So we'll continue this. Dito na si Mr. So nag-top up grocery si John.
What are you spying on me?
I'm not spying.
That's it.
Thank you. So nag-top up. Wow, that's a big bananas. So nag-top up grocery si John. So I'm just gonna put this away. How many milk? 2 milk. Apat na milk yung binili ni Mr. avocado nila, oy. Sus, parang ano ba to sa amin na sa probinsya. Baby pa lang to. Baby pa lang to. Ang dami-dami pang hot cross buns ni John dito. 4 pa. Ay, naku naman yung si John. Ako, naubusan ng alam.
Got a very special present from me. Yes.
Oh, have you been shopping, Lily?
Mm-hmm.
Ah,
Look what we got.
let's go here.
Let's go this way.
What you got there, little Miss Lily?
There you go.
Ah, look at this, a big bag.
Ooh.
Thank you. Let's open the card. Little Miss Lily,
Ooh.
first Mother's Day. Mommy, I may only be little, but I love you this much. Look, look, look. Can you see this? Yeah. Oh, love Lily. Ah, thank you, honey. Thank you. Thank you, little Miss Lily. Ah, what is
Be
this?
careful, be careful.
What is this?
You'll find out.
Ah. Oh, honey. Thank you. There, mommy, we've been to go. Thank you, darling. When did you make this?
Week after she was born.
No, really?
Yeah.
Oh, honey.
Well,
Thank
she's
you.
7 days old now, isn't she?
Yeah. Oh, look. Look, look. That's so cute. Oh, honey.
Mm.
My first Mother's Day of so many, Lily. Look, it's you. It's you.
Mm-hmm.
Who is that little girl? Yeah, we'll take a photo, honey. Thank you, hon. Much appreciated, darling.
Mm.
Thank you, Lily Bear.